Number 9. There are 5 people in Morocco's family. Each family member ate 1/6 of a pasta dish. Draw a picture and write an equation that represents the part of the pasta dish the whole family ate. Alright, so we want to know how much did the whole family eat? And we also want to know an equation. So we have 5 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they each ate 1/6. So 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. So we have equal pieces. Alright? And so we have 5 groups of 1/6. And I want to know what part of the dish did the whole family eat. Number 10. Teresa took a quiz containing 12 items. She answered 5/6 of the items correctly. How many items did she answer correctly? I guess my first question is, did she answer all of the questions correctly? That's right. No, she only answered 5/6. 5/6 is part of the whole quiz. Think about your actions and use that to write an equation and solve. Number 11. Maria and Kenya equally shared 1/4 of the pie that was left over. What fraction of the original pie did each friend get? All right, so they equally, which tells me I'm either multiplying or I'm dividing, shared 1/4. Told me that we were sharing something, and we were sharing a very tiny portion. We were sharing this part right here. So if you have your poster, I want you to reference your poster and think about which one of these actions represents sharing a set equally. That's right. You can see that right here in the corner. So instead of us having 1/2 divided by 18, we're going to think about other numbers that are associated with the problem that is represented by Maria and Kenya. What did Maria and Kenya have? Write it down. What did they do with that? They shared it. Anytime we share something, we're dividing. How did they share it? In how many ways? And then figure that out to find your answer. Number 12. Mrs. Fisher had 1/2 a pan of brownies left. If 3 children shared the leftover brownies equally, how much of the original pan of brownies did each child get? All right, so what is it that's happening in the story? She has brownies that are being shared equally. Brownies shared equally. I'm going to go back to my poster and think about, well, what action is that? Find the action and set up the problem. Go back. What is being shared? It's being shared equally, so we're going to divide. How is it being shared? And find your answer. Pause the video, solve for the answers, and then go check with your teacher.